Bonjour! Today we're going to go over some expressions with the verb être. We just practiced the verb être, so now we're going to go over some ways to use être. I'd like you to get out your notebook, and I know this is a lot to copy down, but I'd like you to copy down this vocabulary. I'd like you to copy the French on the left with the examples and the English on the right, so that you have both the expression in the infinitive and then also how it is used. So you'll write down each of the headers and then what's under it, then the header and what's under it, just like that. So please press pause and take some time to do that. When you're done, press play and we will just go over them. This is a pretty short video today, just going over some of these meanings. Okay, so now you've pressed pause and you've written down everything you needed to write, and now we're just going to go over how it's used. Let's take être d'accord. When I want to ask someone, do you agree with madame? Est-ce que tu es toujours d'accord avec madame? So we're using être, est-ce que tu es? And then d'accord means in agreement with. Do you agree? Est-ce que tu es toujours d'accord avec madame? And you should say oui, je suis toujours d'accord avec madame. Or non, je ne suis pas toujours d'accord avec madame. I'd like you to answer that question out loud yourself. Est-ce que tu es toujours d'accord avec madame? Réponse? Excellent. Here's our next question. Est-ce que tu es toujours à l'heure? Say it after me. À l'heure. À l'heure. It means on time. Est-ce que tu es toujours à l'heure? You're either going to answer oui, je suis à l'heure, or non, je ne suis pas à l'heure. If I was answering it, I would say oui, je suis à l'heure, because I'm always on time. Oui, je suis à l'heure. You're answering it. Next question. Est-ce que tu es en train de danser? Say it after me. En train de. En train de. Means in the process of doing something. So this question would be, are you in the process of dancing? Are you dancing right now? Est-ce que tu es en train de danser? And I would say, non, je ne suis pas en train de danser. No, I am not dancing. Non, je ne suis pas en train de danser. So I'd like you to answer the question. Est-ce que tu es en train de danser? Okay, let's try another one. Est-ce que tu es en train de chanter? Moi, je ne suis pas en train de chanter. Je ne suis pas en train de chanter. Est-ce que tu es en train d'étudier le français? Oui, je suis en train. Non, je ne suis pas en train. Excellent. Let's go on to the next one. Oh, nope, it's an exercise that we're not going to do right there because we don't have the book. Unfortunately, we don't have books at home. So in your notebook, which should be open for the vocabulary, I'd like you to take each expression. There's an expression there, and then there's a sample sentence. Underneath that whole thing, I'd like you to write your own sentence for each expression we've learned. So this is going to be the end of the video. You can go ahead and stop it if you like, or you can pause it. You're just going to write one sentence for each expression we learned here. And I will, meanwhile, say au revoir. And you can go on to your independent work in classroom.